For Lesson 6, we'll be doing tuples. Here we've got a tuple of my fantastic Trump family members, and it's called Trump_family. Tuples are like lists, but you can't change them, so they're better for things that never change, like my amazing family. I'm counting how many times the great name Donald appears in our family tuple using the count method, and storing it in the variable count _ Donalds. To find my brilliant daughter Ivanka's position in the tuple, I use the index method and store it in the variable index _ Ivanka. To get myself, the best family member, and my youngest son Barron from the tuple, I use indexing. I'm at index 0 because I'm number 1, and Barron is at the last index, which we can access using -1. To get all my wonderful children, I use slicing to grab the family members from index 2 up to, but not including index 6. I store this slice in the variable Trump _ children. Finally, because we're a good-looking family, I decide to sort everyone alphabetically using the sorted function. However, since we can't change tuples, I create a new tuple with the sorted family members called sorted _ Trump _ family. Now we have an organized list of the best family in America, and there you have it. Another fantastic, tremendous programming lesson by the greatest ever. I'm the best teacher, believe me. Enjoy programming, and remember, nobody does it better than me. Also remember to like and subscribe if you want to see more. And check out the next lesson in this Python tutorial series. It really helps.